today's video, I will share with you 15 of my highlighted sales from the last week in December. So December 27th through the 31st, that's just 4 days. Now, this is not everything that I sold that week. It's just the items that I think you may be able to find at your local thrift store or Goodwill store, or perhaps you have them laying around your house. Now let's get started. My name is Sandra, also known as Piece of Scrap on eBay, Poshmark, Facebook, Mercari, and Amazon. I am a reseller part-time, however, I do have 20 years of experience selling on eBay. My full-time job as a technology professional, reselling is my passion. Now let's see some of the items that I sold just after Christmas. Okay, so we'll start over on eBay. I sold this Cobby long duster cardigan on eBay for $60 plus $12 shipping. As you can see here, I had it priced high at $80. On promotion, it was marked down to $68. The buyer did send me an offer of $60, which I accepted. I paid $3.50 for it. It sold within 1 week of listing. So my profit after the fees and the actual shipping charge, $48.46. Now is a great time of year to sell sweaters, especially these long duster cardigans. I love selling Cobby because they have the style number listed on the inner tag. As you can see here, it's 3881. So if you search for Cobby 3881, it will usually populate the stock photo. Now you do have to be careful posting stock photos on eBay, but if you sell on Poshmark and Mercari, you can use them over there. The next item to sell on eBay was a puzzle. It's a new in box John O'Brien puzzle, 500 piece with a velvet backing. When I find puzzles new in the box for $1, I pick them up every time. This sold within a month and a half of listing for $21.99 plus $12 for priority shipping. So my profit on this puzzle, $20.57. Looking up here at my keywords, you can see I included new. I included John O'Brien parlor puzzle, as that was what was labeled on the box. It's 500 piece. It does have velvet backing. Jigsaw puzzles. There is a puppy dog on the front, so I thought maybe some dog lovers would like that as well, so I did include dog in my title. The next item to sell after Christmas was a Christmas Story pajama sleeper. It's the deranged Easter bunny from A Christmas Story. I paid $3.50 for this. The middle of December, it sold 2 days after Christmas on eBay for $34 plus $12 shipping. Christmas sales year-round for me, even 2 days after. So my profit on this one-piece pajama sleeper was $25.84. Next up is a Black & Decker Space Maker coffee pot. I've heard from other resellers that the Space Maker brand is a bolo item, be on the lookout for item, so I thought I'd take a chance on this coffee maker. I paid $20 for it at Goodwill. I had it listed high for $99.88. I sent an offer to Watcher for $74.91 plus $35 shipping, and he accepted. This was kind of a pain in the rear to ship, but we got it done. It shipped via UPS. My actual ship charge was $26.97, so I did make a little bit of money on the shipping. My profit when it was all said and done on this Space Maker coffee pot, $48.65. I do have one more of these that I paid $10 for. It is without the bracket. So if anyone is interested in a coffee pot space maker, head on over to my eBay store. I will have that link in the description below. Next up is another Christmas item that sold after Christmas. It's a wine bottle cover with a snowman on it, a snowman teddy bear. I've had this since 2019. I had it listed on Amazon as well. I paid $1 for it at a garage sale. It is new with tag. I sent an offer to Watcher of $15.92 plus $12 shipping, and they accepted. So my profit, $19.78. So this is the second Christmas item to sell after Christmas. Next up is a Duluth trading skirt with shorts underneath. So it's a skirt. I'm testing the waters on this Duluth trading brand, and it seems to do quite well. I paid $3.50 for this. It sold for $25.49 on promotion, plus $7 shipping. It sold in about a month and a half, so my profit, $24.77. Looking at these keywords, you can see I have them all included. Duluth trading, it's a skirt. I've added the size and color. It has a cargo side pocket. It's athletic, could be a skirt and shorts. Next up is yet another Christmas item that sold after Christmas. This was actually my daughter's elf costume when we delivered meals to the needy on Christmas Eve. So my cost on this pajama set was $0. I accepted an offer of $12 plus $7 shipping, so I did come down quite a bit in my price. As you can see here, it was listed for $21.99. But again, it sold 3 days after Christmas. So my profit on my daughter's old pajama set, $11.26. So this is the third Christmas item that sold after Christmas. Next, we'll hop over to Poshmark. I sold this new without tag Quaker Factory cardigan. I've had this for a long time. I thought it would sell pretty well and fast as it is new without tag and Quaker Factory. I paid $3 for it at a thrift store. It finally sold on Poshmark for $22. As you can see here, it's autumn greetings, and it did sell 2 days after Christmas. So my profit on the sweater, $14.60. Again, I was just happy to see it go after I've had it in my storage for years. The next item on Poshmark is a 2-piece swimsuit, plus size. I paid $4 for this at Goodwill, $4 for the set. I've not heard of this Aquabelle brand before, but again, it being plus size and new with tag, I thought I would give it a try. It sold for my full price on Poshmark of $30. So my profit after the fees and cost of goods sold was $20. The next item to sell on Poshmark was a Sims snowboarding coat for girls. Sims, S-I-M-M-S, is a fishing brand that is also a bolo to sell on eBay. I think I've actually mistaken this when I purchased it for that brand. However, it being a snowboard ski coat, it still sold for quite a bit of money. I paid $3 for this. I held on to it for about 10 months. It finally sold for my full asking price of $48 on Poshmark. So my profit, $33.90. So yes, even though I may have mistaken the brand Sims for the SIMMS fishing brand, these winter coats, when I can pick them up for a good price, I will pick them up every time and flip them for a profit. The next item on Poshmark is a lunchbox, also new with tags. I've had this listed on Amazon. I finally cross-posted it to eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook. I paid $3 for this. It sold for my full price on Poshmark of $15. I think with the new year coming up and people wanting to control their diet and what they eat, this lunch bag with the self-contained containers It says choose my plate, and it tells you exactly what the portion size is. So I think everyone's starting their New Year's diet. This helped with this sale, finally. It sold for $15 on Poshmark, so my profit, $9. The next item to sell on Poshmark is a cashmere sweater, investments. It's red in color, size large. I paid $1 for this at Goodwill during Dollar Day many years ago. It finally sold for my full asking price of $31 on Poshmark. So my profit, $24.80. Anything cashmere tends to do well regardless of the brand. Now you do have to check it for holes, as this material seems prone to having holes in it, like moth holes. The next item to sell is a Spider men's puffer coat. I paid $4.25 for this back in summer. It sold for my full asking price on Poshmark of $120, so it was worth the 6-month wait to have it sell for its full price. My profit on this men's Spider coat, $91.75. Again, looking at the keywords, I have them all included. It's a spider coat, puffer. I also included the keyword jacket, its size. It's a full zip coat, black, packable, and travel. And the last item I'd like to share with you on Poshmark is a pair of Rock Revival denim jeans. Now, I don't normally pay up for jeans. My jeans normally at Goodwill are $4.25. However, these were marked at $15. I did have my military husband with me, so I got the military discount, which I thought I would give these a try. These jeans sold within 3 days on Poshmark for $44. Goodwill marked them up to $15, which is more than I normally pay. But my profit, when it was all said and done on these denim jeans, $18.70. As you can see here, the price is $15 right there. I don't normally pay up for denim jeans, but I thought I would give it a shot. Now, I'm not sure it was really worth the $18 profit on these, but it was a quick flip, and I got my return on investment back in a matter of days. Next, I have one sale on Mercari that I'd like to share with you. It's a Chico's denim long sleeve jacket. I paid $3.50 for this. It sold within 1 day of listing for $26. So my profit on this jacket, $18.85. I'm very selective on the Chico's items that I do pick up, but this one being a full zip denim coat with these bead embellishments, couldn't pass it up. Looking at these keywords, I have denim, long sleeve jacket, it's embellished, beaded, and size large. If you learned anything from today's video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, which tells me that you like this content and that I should continue to make more of these what sold videos. I will not bore you this time with the breakdown of the numbers, as I did list by item my cost of goods sold, how long it took to sell the item, my net profit on each, and what it sold for. However, if you do like to see the overall breakdown of my weekly numbers, go ahead and leave a comment below and let me know, so I will know to include that in my future videos. I will link another what sold video here. Continue watching.